It's been 24 hours since the tragic passing of Lexi D Bess, an upcoming dancehall entertainer free speech. As tributes continues to pour online, many are still left in shock and in total disbelief. Only if they were here right now to see the love and support that the Jamaican people and the world is actually showing to them. Sad to say, they passed away in a tragic motor vehicle accident on Friday evening. Hi again and welcome. This is Lexi D Bess L TV Let's Talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break with the full details.
Lexi, where you come from? Where you come from, Lexi? River, mommy. Me say where you come from? Much time to say nothing on the river. But mommy, me asked you before me left. You never asked me nothing because me never there. Me just come back here. Lexi and pass.
Me nah pass. You gonna leave.
Lexi and pass.
You
get the pant up on the blasted nerve. Pass, Lexi and pass.
You gonna leave your mom. I'm sorry.
Pass, Lexi and pass. I said if you pass, little girl, pass. Can pass.
What go on, the people them joining from we life. We just a show now brand new 2021 Axio. What we just buy, see there? No key, a button thing this year. The people even know the sacrifices of people.
Give me back my car key then. Give me around, I say I go wash your car and you down your pan live. Once somebody dey pan come back. Give me my key, let me go about my business. You well alright.
People, later. What?
People, you now give me no money every minute and them something me have to do. But you always do this. I don't think, but you can't give me no money.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Lexi D Bess L TV Let's Talk. Life is just such a precious thing, and when we look at what is going on around us, each and every day that we wake to see the start of a day or the end of a day, we have to be extremely thankful because we're not promised tomorrow and no one knows what the future holds. When we look on what transpired to this young 20-year-old female, Lexi Ann Williams, such a promising and beautiful young girl. She had her dreams, she had her hopes, she had so many plans for her life. And her life was cut short in a tragic motor vehicle accident, along with two other individuals that were part of that tragic accident that took place in Trelawney on Friday night. No one cannot even begin to imagine what the families are going through at this point in time, knowing that they would have been just alive just a few days ago, and to see the tragic end that all these three individuals got. I must say I personally saw the videos of it circulating online, and I can tell you that it wasn't a pretty sight to have seen so much individuals at that roadway, enough in total shock and awe based on what they were looking at. They were in total disbelief, and many at the time that were actually at the accident scene, they did not know that this was actually Lexi D Bess, social media sensation, comedian, and the winner of the recently held 876 series as well. Now, with that said, I just want to update you with the latest we have in relation to this incident, and also just to bring you up to date with what has been going on in social media world since this tragic news started to circulate online. So tributes are pouring in across social media for a popular YouTuber who was among 3 people that lost their life in a motor vehicle crash on Friday night in Trelawney. So Lexi Williams, more popularly known as Lexi D, was tragically killed when her Toyota Mark X motor car, or the vehicle in which she was traveling I should say, collided with a Toyota Voxy on the North-South Highway in Spring Hill in Trelawney. She was reportedly en route to a party in Rio Buena Square when this incident occurred. So the individual known that this would have been the driver of the Voxy, Andrew Codner of Exchange in St. Anne's, and also another person succumbed to injuries in the crash. Several tourists were also injured as well and had to seek medical attention. But all I can tell you that this incident has just left a total shock and a total loss for words in the entertainment and also the comedic world. And those that would have worked with her during numerous films as well, especially in those that she would have done in recent times as well, they are in total disbelief, especially the Robert Brown films that she would have been a part of in recent times. But all I can say, I just wish all the family the best, and I know that this is going to be a difficult time for them. A number of people have been making numerous posts on social media just in order to express sadness at the untimely passing of such a great talent, and I can tell you that this has left a void in the entertainment world right now, and especially in the world of social media and the comedic world, and those that would have worked with her for some time now. I can't even begin to express what they are going through at this time, and many people have been posting on social media sending condolences to the family and friends, and a number of high dignitaries as well have also reached out in order to express sadness at the untimely passing of Lexi D. In 2021, Lexi Williams was the grand prize winner of Cashment Entertainment 876 Roommate, a reality television series featuring comedians across Jamaica. One individual wrote online, "I always admire her creative content, creative and fun individual. What is life, man? Up to that time yeah, or the minute yeah, and up to now, I can't believe that she's actually gone." Meanwhile, other social media users use the opportunity to appeal to motorists to exercise care as they travel on the nation road, especially in the fact that the country is now reopening based on the COVID restrictions that were outlined recently by the Jamaican government. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity to appeal to the motorists to use the road wisely and use it in accordance with the laws and the stipulation outlined by the government, because this car accident could have been prevented, and it's very evident that speeding would have been a major contributor to what transpired here that led to the death of this individual and others also that were in separate motor vehicles. So tributes as well continue to pour in for an upcoming dancehall entertainer who was a part of the collision on Friday night. So tributes are flowing for upcoming entertainer Free Speech, more popularly known for the pandemic hit Isolation, who was among 3 people that lost his life in a motor vehicle crash on Friday night in Trelawney. So the 30-year-old is a dancehall reggae singer whose real name is Chris Andrew Codner, and he was actually driving a Toyota Voxy on the North-South Highway when this incident occurred. It is stated that the Mark X lost control and crashed into his vehicle. Codner, who was residing in Exchange, Ocho St. Anne's, was transported several tourists at the time and reportedly worked at a tour operating company in that section of the island. Lexi Williams, who is age 20, more popularly known as Lexi D, and Kenroy Simit, age 25, were both traveling in the Mark X motor car, and they lost their life after receiving severe injuries during that crash. Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends, and we hope that they do find the strength to cope during this difficult time, because I know this is going to be a difficult one for them to contend with, knowing that just a few days ago she would have been here, and all the other family members as well, their people would have been a part of their life just a few days ago, and now they are gone in a different place. This is where I believe I'm going to leave this though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.